Another major coffee producer, Vietnam, is suffering a drought, and U.S. coffee drinkers may have to brace themselves for a different kind of jolt, as some experts are now predicting a big spike in coffee prices. Casquejo from Seattle reports.
In the U.S. city where coffee is king, coffee wholesalers like Seattle's Lighthouse Roasters are expecting prices of beans to start climbing as coffee supplies start to dwindle.
I can purchase at least, for 6 months out coffee supply, and I try to hit the market when it's good. I'll raise prices as need be.
Stockpiles of coffee beans have been bottoming out partly because of severe drought afflicting growers in Vietnam and Brazil. Some commodity analysts forecast prices to double in the next year. Another shortage in 2011 caused prices to nearly triple. The costs were passed on to consumers, mostly in grocery stores where prices spiked some 30% from the year before. We may be about to see a rerun in October and November 2013, the first 2 months of the coffee growing year. Global coffee exports fell 11% from the same period a year ago. At the Seattle Barista Academy, which trains people to make espresso like a pro, the staff is more optimistic about the market.
I don't think we're going to see an increase in price over time simply because small business owners and roasters take into consideration the ebbs and flows of the coffee market.
Oversupply has kept global prices for coffee beans low since the 1970s. A shortage of Robusta beans from Vietnam, the preferred bean by Asian coffee drinkers, could change that long-term trend. But any price hikes are unlikely to be felt by gourmet coffee drinkers anytime soon. Global franchises like Starbucks, which counts China as its second most important market, tend to absorb more price volatility than grocery stores do.
The global price of coffee isn't the only thing that factors into what you pay for a cup. Those in the business say milk and labor costs play bigger roles.
Any increase in the U.S. minimum wage could affect prices too, but a jump in the price of beans would be good for growers and could benefit the industry overall.
And I think the real danger is the farmers in Central and South America and Africa, that if they don't get that fair price, they may just disappear and go elsewhere.
In January, prices for Arabica beans for March delivery traded 23% higher than they did in November 2013 on the International Commodities Exchange, meaning the price of a cup could go up, especially if you brew at home. Casquejo, CCTV, Seattle.